Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. When it comes to mixture problems like this, we usually use the bucket method. Or basically, you draw buckets sa kung ano yung mga hinahalo at sa kung ano yung naging resulta. Inside the bucket, pwede mong ilagay yung percentage concentration ng mga hinahalo at nung kinalabasan niya. Sa case na ito, meron daw 45 liter solution na 20% alcohol. So, ibig sabihin nun, 45 liters siya at 20%. Hinalo siya sa 15 liters na 80% alcohol. At ang hinahanap is ano yung concentration ng final solution. Ibig sabihin yun yung magiging X natin. At syempre, kailangan din natin malaman kung gaano karaming litro yung kinalabasan. And that is easy kasi all we have to do is to add itong liters na ito, 45 and 15, at lalabas yung 60 liters noong resulta. Once we have that, we can form our equation. We just need to multiply yung percentage by the liters. Sa case na ito, pagdating sa exams, para mas mabilis, dinadrop ko na lang yung percentage, just dinadagdag ko siya sa final answer. So, I just put 20 and 45 here. Kasi, kung gagawin ko siyang decimal, magiging 0.2 ito at 0.8. I'll deal with decimals na hindi maganda sa mata, kumbaga. So, I'll just put 20 times 45 plus 80 times 15 equals sa 60x. Which is just basically multiplying all of them na ganyan. Once I have that, I can just solve. 20 times 45 is 900 plus 80 times 15, which is basically 800 plus kalahati nun, which is 400 or 1,200. Paano ko yun nakuha? I just multiplied 80 by 10 and 80 by 5. Tapos, equal siya sa 60x. This is going to give me 21,000 equals 60x. 900 plus 1,200 is 2,100. Equal siya sa 60x. Divide natin sila both by 60. That way, may iwan na yung x sa isang side. Dito naman, pwede natin i-cancel na agad yung isang 0 na yan. So, now we just have 210 divided by 6. Now, yung 210 at saka 6, pareho naman silang divisible sa 6. Or kahit kung mas maliit pa doon, unahin natin sa 2. So, this will be 105 over 3. Divisible sa 3, divide uli natin sila. So, you'll be left with 35. So, the answer is 35%. Huwag mo lang kakalimutan na ibalik yung percentage sign sa dulo. Now, there are more versions of this type of question. Minsan, nawawala yung part. Minsan, nawawala yung dami. Minsan, kahalo ka ng mga pure na water, pure alcohol, at kung ano pa. I have a full video series nito on YouTube. If hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, pakihanap na lang. But for now, you can answer this. Anong sagot dyan? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me for more.